Welcome back to CNC Training PT. Today I will show how to make this 2D simple design for the beginner. It's a very important video for the beginner. See, today I will show how to make linear pattern and circular pattern. Here is the linear pattern and here circular pattern. Now I am showing one by one. First of all I show this and after that here. So see is uh, first of all I make rectangle and length 200 millimeter with 150 millimeter and a circle 50 millimeter. Okay, and another outer circle 200 millimeter and a small circle 50 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. Okay, first of all I choose front plane and sketch, then corner rectangle. Okay, and then in all line make relation construction purpose. Okay, here is construction geometry. Now it's construction and give the dimension, length 200 millimeter with 150 millimeter. Okay, then I choose center circle and I start from here. Outer diameter 50 millimeter. Okay, now I make the very important things, linear circle pattern. Yes, linear sketch pattern. Okay, now I select this circle, select, see here is another circle showing. uh, you just give the dimension, here is 200 millimeter. Okay, now I give 200 millimeter, press enter. See, here is another circle. Okay, now I give the opposite direction of circle. See, here is y direction. Okay, so press y and then change arrow, and here is number of circle. Here is 1 and 2 circle. So now I give 2. Okay, here is 2, the another direction, and distance 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter, press enter. See, it's another circle from y direction. Okay, okay. See, see, it's linear pattern. Okay, now I will show circular pattern. Okay, at the same front plane sketch and first choose circle center. Start from origin. Okay, then press left key and construction geometry. Okay, now it is construction. I give the dimension, uh, dimension here 200 millimeter and a small circle 50 millimeter. Okay, Now give the dimension 200 millimeter. Okay, and then choose the center circle and not click center. You just turn the mouse center and drag upper side. Okay, if you want you can choose the center line. Okay, and give the dimension 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. Okay, now I choose here first linear interpolation, linear sketch pattern, and second circular inter sketch pattern. As choose circular sketch pattern and select circle and give the pattern 4. Okay, and press. Okay, and must be is it's showing 360 degree. Okay, okay. See, now it's circular pattern. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.